Hi there, I hope you're doing well. This is Mrs. Feller here to talk to you about creating a web in slides. This demo will be from a student's perspective. In this video, we will learn to use the arrow to select and move objects, create and edit text boxes, use the shape and line tools, and change the colors and line weight. Okay, let's get started. If we go up here to the top left of the screen, this is where we can rename our document. I'm going to rename mine New Sample Web. This video will provide you with an overview of the tools in our toolbar: the arrow or selector, the text box, the shape tool, and the line tool, and some additional options associated with each of these. I first make sure I am on the select tool so I can get rid of these text boxes, so I can start with a clean canvas. Since this demo is about creating a web, let's start by making some shapes. Wow, there's a lot of options. Let's start by selecting the circle. I click and drag to draw the circle. Now some additional tools pop up: the fill color, the border color, and the border weight. I'm going to change the fill color to a light green. Next, I'm going to change my line color to black. To change the line weight, I select this tool. You may want to play around with your options to see what looks best to you. Webs have more than one circle, so I can either go back to the shape tool and select another shape, or I can copy my existing circle and change how the copies look. Let's go that route. I left click to copy and paste, or use the shortcut keys Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+V. I use the resizing handles to change my shape. Each of the handles in the middle of my shape will either make it shorter or more narrow. To resize and maintain the aspect ratio, resize from any of the corners. If I need to rotate a shape, select once and grab the handle on the top. It will tell me the degree of the rotation as I turn. Ctrl+Z will undo my last edit. For this web, I will have the main topic in the middle and then 3 subtopics. Let's move them around a bit. I still need to make 2 more copies of my smaller circle. Let's do that now. Next, I need to connect my smaller circles back to the bigger circle in the middle, using the line tool. I'm going to change the weight and color of the line to match my circles. Anytime you have to create a web for a class, make sure you check with your teacher the assignment instructions and the rubric so you include everything required. Whoops, almost forgot to change the color. Let's do that now. Now I'm going to add my text boxes onto my circles. I may need to play around with font and text size to see what looks best. That looks right. Now I'm going to copy this text box to make another one. Looks like I'll need to change the text size. Now that I got the text the size I want, I'm going to copy the text boxes again for my 2 other circles. My last step is to rename these text boxes to subtopic 1, 2, and 3. I think it'll look best if I center it. If you need help attaching this to a Google Classroom assignment, check out my other YouTube video with the sunflower. Your teacher may have specific requirements about what your web needs to look like. Be sure to ask them if you have questions. Be sure to check out my other student tutorial videos about Google Classroom in Google Drive on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any tips to help you succeed in your virtual classroom. Thanks again for watching. Stay well.